Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the session. I hope I'm clearly audible to all of you. So, welcome to this session on QA crash course of OMETs, Other Management Interest Tests. Now the CAT is over. It's time to look at other exams. Now, there would be a few people whose CAT has gone very well. There would be candidates who didn't do that well in CAT, but the game is not over yet. You have to focus on the other exams that come like after CAT, like already I think a lot of you would have given NMAT first slot, and then IFT has been done. Snap again, one slot may be like us. A few of you would have already appeared. So again, you have Snap in like in the month of January, then CMAT, MHCT, TISNET. So a lot of other exams are there. So don't give up at this point. Try and focus on what can be done next, and until everything is done, the game is not over. So going forward, we'll try and see what kind of QA questions we can expect, and what can we do to get ourselves ready for these kind of exams. Okay, so these all sessions are intended for that. You can also like to join us on the Unacademy platform with the courses that are specifically designed for the OMTs. These are like one standalone sessions that we're taking, but we are also trying to do a series of sessions so that anyone who watches the classes on the YouTube platform also get access to at least a significant number of sessions where he or she will be able to know that, okay, this is what I should practice or not. But then you can also join us exclusively in the Plus courses designed for OMTs on the Unacademy platform as well. Welcome everyone. Hello, good afternoon. So let's start. This is a brief introduction of me. I'm an MBA and a mechanical engineer. I have more than 4 years of experience in teaching CAD aspirants, and I've been doing these exam myself since the last 4 years. And you can see my scores. I'm showing this because not long back I was at your place preparing for an exam like this. So I know what it takes to score in an exam like that, and what should be your strategy, and in which way you should proceed so that you can benefit the maximum. In my sessions, I try and share the same things which I followed and it worked for me. Now, this is my playlist. All the videos that I've taken on this channel, you can find them on this playlist. Just type in MBA preparation with Sarthak Dash, and you will get the entire playlist of every video that I've taken, and you can watch it. Now, as I was saying, on the Unacademy platform, if you have not registered yourself, you can register yourself, and registration is absolutely free. Also, you can use my code DASLive to watch all my special classes for free. Okay. Once you go to file, then you go to the special classes section. You can use this code to watch any special class for free, and then you can also use this code to take either a plus or an iconic subscription, and you can avail a 10% discount also upon using this code. Now, once you go to the plus section, you will get courses like this. As I was saying, you'll get courses like this. For an example, like crash course on CMAT and MHCT that I did last year. So similar courses will be done targeting individual exams. So you can attend them exclusively for that particular exam. That will be a more focused and detailed preparation for that particular exam. Okay, so YouTube में भी sessions कर सकते हो, and you can also attend sessions on the Academy platform. Now, Unacademy Combat is there on 18th December, 12 p.m. को, that coming Sunday, and it is Snap special. ठीक है, targeting Snap exam, 60 questions, 60 minutes का exam है, where you will get practice for Snap exam without like with Unacademy Combat. So this Combat usually CAT exam को देख के बना जाता है. This Combat is specifically designed for Snap exam. And what is Combat? Combat is a scholarship test. Okay, if you do well, you really get good discounts on your subscription prices, and then you can win amazing like gift vouchers from Amazon. And this exam is based on Snap format, detailed video solution, and you'll get your all India rank. It's a very exciting test format. So do participate in this. Enroll. You can enroll it for free, and you can use my code again, that's live, for a free registration on this. Okay. Okay. So in like the next few minutes, what we'll do is we'll take up some questions and we'll see how they can be solved. Okay, Q&A questions. Now I assume that all of you would have covered the concepts. Okay, given that CAT exam is over, a lot of you would have covered the concepts. So we'll try and take questions from various areas and see how those questions can be approached and solved. Okay. Anyone attending live, do subscribe to our Unacademy Catalyst channel and hit the like button. Every day you get lots of content on this channel, so like to do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss out on any session that is being taken on this channel. Definitely, it is very useful for all CAT and management interest aspirants. Okay, So let us see the first question. Look at this. If the 12th term of an arithmetic progression, 12th term, 8, 12, is 23 whole, 7 by 29, and the 64th term is 136 whole, 22 by 29. And find the sum of the first 75 terms of the progression. I'll just give a little background of it. Like whenever I have an arithmetic progression A1, A2, A3, A4 till AN, the sum of n terms is given by this formula, n by 2 whole into first term plus the last term. Or it can also be written as n by 2 whole into the second term plus the second last term and so on. So you compare the terms. Okay, let us say first term with the last term, second term with the second last term and so on. But in each case, if you add the subscripts, sum kitna hai? N plus 1. So if I'm finding the sum of n terms, मेरा summation of subscripts a1 and an, subscript means a1, 1 is a subscript. If you add it, it is coming as n plus 1. Okay, so I can take pairs in such a way that the sum of their subscripts should be n plus 1. So necessary नहीं है a1 and an ही लेना है. You can take any pair whose sum of the subscripts will be n plus 1. So that means if I have to find sum of 75 terms in this progression, 75 by 2, then I can take a1 plus a75. So I see that sum of subscripts is 76. That means I can also take this. I can take a12 plus a64. The sum of the subscripts here is same as the sum of subscripts here. Same pattern. So just take 75 by 2, a12 which is 23 whole 7 by 29 plus 136 whole 7 by 29. Sorry, 22 by 20. So it is 75 by 2, 136 plus 20, 156, 159, 160 आ रहे हैं यहाँ पे. I get 6,000. It's a very easy question. Just you need to look at it in this way. No need to try and convert this into an improper fraction. A lot of people will try and do this in improper fraction. 29 into 23 plus 7 divided by इसको improper में convert करके कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. Whenever you're adding, simple rule of addition. 23 whole 7 by 29 plus 136 whole 22 by 29. तो ये fraction add होगा, whole number add होगा. 136 plus 23 is 159. 7 by 29 plus 22 by 29 is 29 by 29, which is 1. So total you 159 plus 1, you get 160. Very simple addition, no need to convert. If you convert करने के लिए गए तो it's again a waste of time. Okay. Hope it makes sense. I hope I'm clear to all of you. Yes or no? Anyone attending live, if you get doubt at any point, feel free to ask. Okay, don't hesitate to ask, feel free to ask. Hope it is clear. Very basic fundamental stuff. OMETs में इतना tough question नहीं आता. If you are looking at the exams that I had, CMAT, MHCT, and if you look at TestNet, then you look at SGMT, you look at SNAP also, not very difficult questions. Okay, fundamental questions, and you should have speed and quickly. जितना quickly तुम calculate कर सकते हो, उतना better है. Okay. Hope this is clear. Let us go to the next question. Let's take a look at this. Cost of 9 erasers, 7 sharpeners and 5 pencils. 9 erasers, 7 sharpeners, 5 pencils is rupees 38. The cost of 4 erasers, 3 sharpeners and 2 pencils is rupees 16. Find the cost of 2 pencils and 3 sharpeners. You have to find the cost of 2 pencils and 3 sharpeners. If the cost of each of the items in rupees is a natural number, and the cost of no two items is the same. Okay. Now you take a look at this, how to approach this question. When you see this, nine erasers, 7 sharpeners and 5 pencils. and 4 erasers, 3 sharpeners and 2 pencils. 38 and 16 दिया हुआ है यहाँ पे, ठीक है. When you try this one, you see there are 3 variables: eraser, sharpener and pencil. Okay, and you have only 2 equations. So 3 variables, 2 equations. Good afternoon, good afternoon. Welcome to the session. 3 variables and 2 equations. It's not easy. Like not easy as in you cannot uniquely find the value. Okay, there are 3 variables: eraser, sharpener and pencil, whereas I have 2 equations. Okay, so I cannot find the values like this. But the question is not asking me to find the value of each variable. It is asking find the value of 2 pencils and 3 sharpeners. So that means I have to come up with a combination. Maybe can I come up with a combination of 2 pencils and 3 sharpeners if the cost of each item is a natural number? Some additional information is given that cost of each item is a natural number and cost of no 2 items is same. That means eraser is not equal to sharpener is not equal to pencil. So how to proceed forward in this? So suppose I multiply a 2 here and subtract. That means 9 eraser plus 7 sharpener plus 5 pencils is equal to 38, and just multiply it to 8 eraser plus 6 sharpeners plus 4 pencils is equal to 32 and subtract. So I get 1 eraser plus 1 sharpener plus 1 pencil is equal to 6 rupees. And eraser, sharpener and pencil, the costs are all natural numbers. So in what way is this possible? 3 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 6. This is the only possibility. Isn't it? सबका एक एक ऐड करके 6 आ रहा है and all 3 of them are natural numbers. So the only possibility is this: 3 plus 2 plus 1. There is no other way. You cannot do it in any other way. But the question now is, which one is 3, which one is 2 and which one is 1? Now, I don't know whether eraser is 3 or the pencil is 3 or the sharpener is 3. कौन सा parameter, कौन सा value लेगा, that we don't know. Eraser, sharpener and pencil. Also, is there something else given that cost of eraser is more than sharpener or sharpener is the highest cost? वैसे भी कुछ नहीं दिया है. So find the cost of 2 pencils and 3 sharpeners. So I can do it in this way: 3, 2, 1, 3, 1, 2. Okay, then 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2. Also I can take 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 2. Now this equation might satisfy this, but I can eliminate, I got 6 cases. I don't need to go with 6 cases. I can eliminate some of these cases by using these equations. So suppose तुम पहला वाला लोगे 3, 2, 1. Is it satisfying? Let us take a look at this. Eraser की जगह 3 put करो, 27. Sharpener की जगह 2 put करो, 41 हो गया. So this is ruled out. This doesn't satisfy the first equation. 3, 1, 2. Eraser की जगह 3, 27. Sharpener 1, 27, 7, 34. ये भी rule out हो गया. Then we put it here: 9 plus 7 into 2, 14. 14, 9, 23. And then 5 into 3, 15. 23 into like 23 plus 15, 38. ये satisfy कर रहा है. 1, 3, 2, 9. Then this is 21, 30. ये भी rule out. I hope you are able to understand. I got 6 cases, but not all 6 cases will satisfy. I'll have to cross check with this the first equation. ये कहाँ पे satisfy कर रहा है. Then 2, 18 plus 7, 25. Then ये भी नहीं कर रहा है. 18 plus 21 ये भी नहीं कर रहा है. So I got my answer that cost of eraser is 1, cost of sharpener is 2, cost of pencil is 3. So 2 pencils plus 3 sharpeners is 2 into 3 plus 3 into 2. I get 12 rupees. That is the answer. Again, basic question. So these kind of questions come under the category called as special equations. Like although these are simple equations, degree is 1, but you have 3 variables but 2 equations. So you cannot uniquely find the value of these variables. But I could find the unique values because some extra conditions were given. What are the extra conditions? That the value of each variable, it is a natural number. And then they are distinct natural numbers. So that will help us reach at some certain conclusions. ठीक है, hope this is clear, all of you. Very easy question. Both these questions are nothing difficult, very easy, but fundamental. Okay, you should be strong in your concepts so that you can solve these kind of questions very easy. Now, these are some batches coming up. You can enroll in these batches by taking either a plus or an iconic subscription. You can use my code DASHLIVE to avail a 10% discount while taking either a plus or an iconic subscription. Okay. Joining a batch helps you prepare in a very systematic manner. Now, there's an exciting offer for CAT and OMETs aspirants. You get 2 months free on 12-month subscription, also 2 months free on 24-month subscription, and this offer is valid till 15th of December. You can use the code DASHLIVE on top of it to get additional 10% discount. So those of you who are CAT 2022 aspirants, you can start taking your subscription and start attending the courses and classes systematically. Alright, let's take a look at this question. 7x plus 24y equal to 21. Find the distance between the two lines. So suppose there are two parallel. How do I find the distance between them? Suppose this is ax plus by plus c1 equal to 0. Ax plus by plus c2 is equal to 0. Let d be the perpendicular distance between the lines. So d is given by the formula c2 minus c1 divided by square root of a square plus b square का modulus. I take modulus because distance is always positive. So modulus लेना. So here I have 7x plus 24y minus 21 equal to 0 and 14x plus 48y plus 8 equal to 0. Now the thing here is ax plus by plus c1, ax plus by plus c2. That means that ax plus by part should be same in both the cases. So you can write the first equation as 14x plus 40y minus 42 equal to 0. Okay. So now distance d is equal to 8 minus 42 divided by 14 square plus 48 square. So this is 50 and this is 50 square ka square root. So I get the distance is 1 unit. It's a direct formula based question from coordinate geometry, but provided you know how to find the perpendicular distance between two parallel lines. And the like important part is you have to make this ax plus by component same. You have 7x plus 24y and here you have 14x plus 48y. Either you convert this as 14x plus 48y or you convert the second equation into 7x plus 24y. Either ways it will give you the same answer. Okay? Hope this is making sense. Easy questions. Alright, let's take a look at this one. Again, an interesting question. Ram bought a few mangoes and apples spending an amount of at most 2000. At most 2000. That means it's not 2000. Now, we don't know how much it is, but at max it is 2000. Now, it can be 1900, 1800, 1700, 1650, 1894. कुछ भी amount हो सकता है which is less than 2000. If each mango costs 4 and each apple costs 6, let he bought X mangoes. Let he bought X mangoes and Y apples. So 4x plus 6y will be less than equal to 2000. This is what my equation is. 4x plus 6y will be less than equal to 2000. 4x plus 6y is necessarily even. Irrespective of x and y. X and y चाहे कुछ भी लो. 4x plus 6y तो even आएगा यार. And he bought at least one fruit of each type. That means x and y cannot be 0. At least one fruit तो वो खरीदा है. So what are the different possible amounts that he could have spent? That means बोल रहा है कि क्या क्या different possibilities हो सकते हैं और how many different possibilities. So suppose I start with x is equal to 1 and y equal to 1. The amount is 4 into 1 plus 6 into 1, 10. If you take x is equal to 2, y equal to 1, you get 4 into 2 plus 6 into 1, you get 14. Then x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2. 4 into 1 plus 6 into 2, you get 16, and so on. So all numbers, this is the minimum, and 2000 is the maximum. उसका minimum spending तो 10 होगा, 10 के नीचे वो जा नहीं सकता, and maximum spending is 2000. So I can say all even numbers between 10 and 2000 are possible except rupees 12. 12 रुपीज कभी उसका हो नहीं सकता. देखो 10 आया, 10 के बाद 14 ही आएगा, तुमको 12 नहीं मिल सकता. Now you can say why not? What if he bought 3 mangoes only and no apples? But no apple वो खरीद नहीं सकता. He has to buy at least one fruit of each type. तो एक एप्पल तो वो ले ही रहा है. एंड अगर एक मैंगो का कॉस्ट 4 रुपीज है, इन नो कॉम्बिनेशन इट विल बी 12. हो नहीं सकता. So this 12 rupees is not possible. So basically how many even numbers? Now if I take from 1 till 2000, there are 1000 even numbers. 1000 even numbers है, ये 12 तो माइनस हो ही गया. माइनस 2, 4, 6, 8, ये चार नंबर भी माइनस होंगे बिकॉज यू आर स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 10. तो उसके पहले जो इवन नंबर्स आएंगे वो भी पॉसिबल नहीं है. 2, 4, 6 एंड 8. So my answer is 995. That means there are 995 possible amounts that he could have spent. In different ways, 995 ways में he can make this purchase where at most he is spending 2000 rupees. Okay, very interesting question. Just this one small exception that 12 rupees is not possible. Every other number is possible. Okay. Hope it makes sense. Now these are some plus subscription plans and 6 months, 12 months, 18 months and 24 months. And 12 and 24 months में तो 2 months का extra मिल रहा है. And these are the iconic subscription plans. You can use my code DASLIVE to avail a 10% discount while subscribing to either Plus or Iconic. In Iconic, you get some additional benefits, including all the benefits of Plus. Iconic you upgrade हुआ है and you get all these benefits. So do use my code DASLIVE while you are taking Iconic subscription or Plus subscription, and you can get a 10% discount on your subscription price. Now let us take a look at this. A shopkeeper mixes two varieties of rice. So basic question on allegation. Question number 5. A shopkeeper mixes two varieties of rice, the cost prices of which differ by 7 per kg. Now in a certain ratio, and the effective cost price of the resultant mixture is rupees 11 per kg. If instead he mixes the varieties in the inverse ratio, the effective cost price will be rupees 14 per kg. Find the cost price of the less expensive variety of rice. Okay. So let the cost price of the cheaper variety be rupees X and the costlier variety will be X plus 7 rupees per kg. Okay. Now he is mixing it in a certain ratio. Okay, let the ratio is A is to B. Now if I put it in the case of allegation, I get this. On one side I have X rupees ka variety, on the other side I have X plus 7 rupees ka variety. Overall I am getting 11 rupees as my resultant mixture's cost price. And the ratio is A is to B. Now this gap is 11 minus X. And this gap is X minus 4. And this gap is X minus 4. So from this I can write A is to B. So from this I write A is to B is x minus 4 by 11 minus x. Let this be equation 1. Okay. Now, if I take the next case, that is, if instead he mixes in the inverse ratio, well, A is to B, he has mixed. Now, what if he is mixing it in the ratio B is to A? Again, x here, x plus 7 here, and the ratio instead is now B is to A. Then the resultant mixture price is 14. तो अभी यहाँ पे प्राइस आ जाएगा 14. This gap is 14 minus x, and this is x minus 7. So A is to B here is 14 minus x by x minus 7. This is equation 2. So I can write from 1 and 2. 14 minus x by x minus 7 is equal to x minus 4 by 11 minus x. Or I can write x minus 7 into x minus 4. Or x minus 7 into x minus 4 is x into x minus 11. You can just solve this. It is x square minus 11x plus 28 is x square minus 25x plus 154. Or I can get 14x is equal to 126 or x is equal to 9. This is the cost price of the cheaper variety. So very simple basic question on allegation. Okay, allegation is very important as far as the arithmetic is concerned. Very important. Allegation को अच्छे से समझना बहुत important है. It will help you in a lot of areas, not just in these kind of questions. It is applied in time to distance, it is applied in profit loss percentage, SICI, time and work also. It has got huge applications, and this is a very useful technique in the exam. It will save you a lot of time, and बहुत जल्दी you can arrive at the answer. Okay. Hope this is clear. This question. Now the ZAT AIMTs for ZAT. Already 2 tests done. The third test is on 19th and then 26th go over the next test. So all ZAT 2022 aspirants, please participate in these tests. Very useful and absolutely free also. Okay, you can use my code DASLIFE to enroll in it for free. And after the test, go through the detailed video analysis, in-depth analysis, solutions, what went right and what went wrong, what should be the right strategy to score more, which all questions you should have selected easily but you didn't, why you didn't, and how you can work on that. You have to think on all these things. Okay, so be a part of it. Absolutely free to enroll. If you have not registered yourself, you can register. Registration is free. Use my code and please participate in the mock test. Okay. And then the Ask It Out feature, I hope all of you are regularly using it. The feature has been upgraded and it is constantly improving. So very beautiful feature for all like entrance exam preparation aspirants. Now, whenever you solve, you do get a lot of doubts and you need to get your doubts clarified immediately. So you don't have to wait for anyone. Just take a clear screenshot and upload. And now you can upload 3 doubts at once. Earlier it used to be only 1 doubt, and once it has been answered, you have to go to the next. But now you can upload 3 doubts at once, and also you can prefer your language in which you want the answer. Okay, so excellent feature. Try and use it as much as possible. Share it with your friends and start solving more and more. Okay. So thank you all once again for joining. Hope you guys liked the session, enjoyed the questions. Keep practicing, solving more and more, and we will keep discussing in our YouTube sessions going ahead. Also try and join us on the Unacademy platform with the special classes and the plus courses. Subscribe to this channel. You get lots of content every day. As I said, hit the like button and the bell icon so that you get notified whenever we come live next. Thank you once again, all of you. Have a nice day and meet again in another session. Bye bye.